Here's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, Honda Link, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.